ResiBuddy Pro allows you to tag receipt records with keywords. These tags can be added in two ways. First, from the Uploader interface, click the Add Tags button at the bottom of the form. In the pop-up input field, type your tag. Spaces are allowed and will be replaced with hyphens, while symbols will be excluded from the final tag. Press the Enter key or the Add Tag button. Delete tags by hovering over a pill and clicking or tapping it. Close the pop-up, then proceed with saving the form. Alternatively, you can add tags from the search interface. Just hover over the record, then click the Add Tag button. The steps are the same when adding tags during the upload process. But in this view, hit the Save Tags button to save all your tags to the database. A toast notification will appear to indicate a successful update.